thanks to Red Star for gifting me this scientific calculator SC-216. This calculator is powered by 2 AAA batteries. The calculator is a real workhorse. It packs a punch with 240 scientific functions, and it's great for SAT prep. One of the things I really appreciate is its versatility. It excels at trigonometry with 3 angle modes: degrees, radians, and grads. It also handles statistical calculations with ease, including 1-2 variable statistics. And for those in science and engineering, it has dedicated modes for those fields too. The buttons are responsive and well labeled, and the 12-digit display is clear and easy to read. And let's talk about durability. This calculator has a sturdy sliding cover that protects the buttons and display, so you don't have to worry about accidental drops. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. It can handle everything from basic arithmetic to complex scientific calculations. It's like having a mini computer in your hand. I also love the 2-line display. It shows both the calculations and the results simultaneously, making it much easier to follow along and understand the process. And the best part, the calculator is incredibly affordable. You really get a lot of bang for your buck. It comes with an instruction booklet that explains all the functions and how to use them effectively. Whether you're a student tackling challenging math problems, a professional needing a reliable calculator for work, or anyone who wants a powerful and easy-to-use calculator for everyday life, the SC-216 is an excellent choice. I highly recommend it.